Stroke just catch one man on top of live television. We gotta say the head of statistical service, where this man name now Professor Samuel Kobinna and him. This one they happen inside Ghana. This man just this he won't go give speech. In fact, he already start to give this speech. Before we go see Oga start to dey sweat, unnecessary sweat. Me, I even think say na attention self now they do this man. I think say na even pressure because the man they talk about the population and census thing where they happen inside Ghana. Before we go see Oga don stiff. In fact, don't even start to dey shake for that place. My people abeg, make una follow me watch.
Coming late to their households for the data collection activities. We also have some
Charlie, now wow, because this kind of constant cleaning of face, now there I begin reason say, it be like say something they happen to this man. But I beg, me I dey feel say now unnecessary pressure and tension. Maybe this man na him first time when one go stand for national television. Oga don come prepare, thinking say one go write WAEC exam. Come stand there finish now, see you come dey shock don come dey catch you. Stroke don join, everything don come join. Hey, me, I don't want to talk say na your village people follow you go reach this place. Oh. But I beg, people if na dey, make na once in a while, make na dey check on our health. Because this one na something fit dey do and when you know they notice. As they talk, if na notice the thing wey they read, it dey shake. Let that come reason say, e be like say something dey worry this man, but he no reason am. I be na fear saying the face crowd, all those one come reason and say, fear they catch me. Oh. But look, if you just go die, man, you even thank God say you no fall down, make your stroke no come go increase. So they even quickly carry you. But see, if you stand, they do your own work. Sometimes they take sometimes break, they take them. Reason is okay, my health or no, they fine. Make I go hospital, go check myself. Because if you die, Mr. Man, they go replace you. As it be like this, as you even shake, I sure say this show go still continue. I sure say this talk, another person go cry and can't give up. So you go just go sit down for your house, rest. But this one, they no go reason all this kind of thing. In fact, if that stroke catch you last, they go put you for one side. Employ another person who go take over the thing. So I beg, making they watching our health. Eat better thing. I don't even want to talk to maybe because Ghana people now fresh pepper they eat. Maybe all this one self join. I joke. Maybe all this one self join make the man come be like say no they okay. But I beg if they check your health on a regular, they check your body say I know they you go they know say something they happen. And this one now, where just go there, go give yourself unnecessary BP. Me, I sure say, na even shock. I sure say maybe you don't over plan. You don't over prepare. Say, today you go shock them. This one where be say you don't show on live television, your enemies go back. Now there your village people come reason and say, you want to shock us a bit, make we self shock as join. Say all this one self join. But my brother, this life now one. My people where they watch this life now one. Live and right, do the necessary things. If you know say they sick for one side, if now hospital where you won't go find check yourself. If now like go place you go drink and go check your body well before you go come outside. Come the pepper people, cause the people where they pepper. If you die last time they go write rest in peace for your matter. And after the case that everybody don't forget you. So no go they do gra on top person business. Don't say say last the thing go come even kill you. This one will happen. I just pray say this man go dey okay. I pray for God healing because as he be like they made the matter no even go worse as he be. My people I beg, I hear this one inside Ghana. I want to make a bring and come, making a service now here. Here wait till they happen for there. Anything in our film, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. This one na bad news as the legendary singer wey they call am Sultan in just pass away. I no even want to talk say death because this in death it shock me. The thing even overpay me. And for those of now we no know this guy don dey sick since he don dey battle some kind cancer. One rare cancer wey they call am na cancer of the throat. I been waiting this guy dey suffer since. But before we go see now, before we even hear this guy don die. 44 years old man, we say never even to live life like that. And there we hear say he don't die. Condolence in family, my people beg, make now follow me watch the funeral service of this man.
Alright guys, we're back live. So sorry, the other session expired, but we're back live right now.
Chai, I dey even feel this woman pain. See as she just sleep on top of this coffin, you go know say the thing dey really pain her. And in fact, this death even remind me of person one no. The person no dey smoke or you know dey drink, but this same sickness, this throat cancer, na still kill the person. I come dey wonder abeg, wetin dey cause am? And as we gather, they say this kind thing, the thing dey come out small small. The person go dey get frequent cold, like say they get catarrh on a regular, sore throat. For those of now where they get that symptoms, na better go start to dey do medical checkup because if it go lead to something. Now so the thing they start small before we go see now this man don't come die. And death really pain me, but oga, this man really get luck. Sounds hot and in fact you over get luck because this your death. Yeah, I like and say now for New Jersey now you go there. If say now inside Nigeria. In fact, your death self, you no go rest in peace because the kind people where they go bury next to you, now people will be say bandits, kidnappers, they be say if you even die, self, your own coffee go they cry. But as now abroad, now you go reason and say, okay, person where you they bury you next to. If you be one kind better person, if you be Michael Jackson and the types, you know now you self your coffee go cause self. You self go they celebrate, so okay, they bury me for better place. But I even thank God self, it's not be Nigeria, but this your death is still paying me. And I saw say your family, children where you live beyond self, it go they pay them. Because now how person want to start, how they want to reason life again. Only them, and I saw say people will even miss you because your music alone, if person even hear and say people they love them. So now we just can't go. You know even to take. And I call this up this sickness we even you know get cure. At least for even get treatment because the way people they die with this whole sickness, it means that they never still see cure for them. And na corona come, they don't want to see the cure. Now why all these Oyinbo people? But I pray say make your soul rest in peace because this one it really pain people. People even still they mourn. You never even die finish. Some people say they want to kata say why you they sick, nobody check up on you. Now we don't die people they like yes. Fine, they no check up on them because people know, but people will know as they hear them, the matter will still pain person. Mr. Sultan, make your soul rest in perfect peace. I hear this one, my people, I want to make a bring and come. Make myself in my ear. Yeah, waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.